everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jessica. I am the fashion and lifestyle blogger behind Miss More Style, and here on my channel I do a lot of affordable fashion hauls, and today that is what we are doing. So if you really love to look chic and stylish on a budget because you don't have a whole lot of money like your girl, then this is definitely the channel for you. So make sure that you hit that subscribe button and that you also ding the notification bell so that you're notified anytime that I upload a new video. And also be sure to follow me over on my Instagram, where I am daily sharing more fashion posts and fun behind the scenes of my life and different fun things like that. So today I have an Ann Taylor haul for you all. So this is my first Ann Taylor haul. I hope you all enjoy it. I have been very fortunate to be working with Ann Taylor lately. So all of the pieces in this haul were gifted to me in PR. So big thanks to Ann Taylor for sending me over all these gorgeous pieces. Up until recently, I just kind of always thought that like Ann Taylor was sort of just for people who had like an office job or people who were older. And so I never really looked at Ann Taylor much, but lately I have been loving some of their things. And I think that there's some really great classic pieces that you can grab at Ann Taylor that will last you for seasons to come. And you can be pretty confident that a lot of the things that they sell are going to be classics that will stay in style for a while. So they don't really do a whole bunch of like trendy things, but if you're looking to build a classic wardrobe, Ann Taylor is a great place to shop. So of course, in the description box, I will have all of my sizes and measurements so that you guys can sort of see how my body is, and I also will put the sizes that I ordered down there so you guys can maybe hopefully get a better feel for the sizing of Ann Taylor. Of course, everything that I'm going to show you all today will be linked down in the description box. So if you want to shop any of these looks that I'm going to show you, then just head down there and I will have links down there for you to grab these pieces. Let's get started. The first piece that I got is this sort of like faux suede dress, and I really love this dress. So it definitely is not real suede, but it feels so soft, and I think it looks really nice. It just has like a really nice construction to it. I love these lines right here that are going down. I think that they're going to be really like flattering on the body. And it's just a pretty simple dress. There's not a whole lot to it, but I do think that these sleeves are going to be really cute. They kind of have a little bit of like a balloon sleeve going on here. This is just a really adorable dress for fall, I think, especially in this sort of like suede material. I don't really have any dresses that are like this, and I love to like mix textures in the fall when I'm layering. So this is going to be a great base piece to create looks with because it is a neutral color, so you can mix it with a lot of things. And I think that this could be really easily dressed up or down, and definitely maybe a great piece to wear if you are still working in an office, because it definitely has a very like professional vibe if you wore it with some heels, I think. But you could also additionally wear it with sneakers, and it would be a really casual piece to wear on the weekend as well. This next item that I got, I am so excited. I actually grabbed this hot pink coat for the purpose of including it in my Emily in Paris video. It's coming soon. I promise. But this coat was the thing I was sort of waiting to come in because I needed a hot pink coat to do some Emily in Paris looks, which if you've seen the show, then you know. But this is a beautiful coat. It's in this very hot pink color. I got a size small. It's actually a good length. I like a longer coat because I feel like they tend to look better with more things. Like they look good with pants, but then the longer coats also I think look better with skirts and dresses too. So that's why I tend to buy longer coats, because I feel like they're just more versatile for my wardrobe. I will say it's very soft. And what is the makeup of this fabric? So it is 95% wool and it's 5% nylon. So it's almost completely wool. It's a beautiful color. I think this is going to look so vibrant and beautiful with so many outfits, and I'm going to be wearing this for years to come. I also really like that the back, like underneath the collar, is white. So if you wanted to wear the collar like popped, then it would give that really fun accent of white underneath. That's just like a really cool little detail on there. So stunning. I also have to admit that I am a scarf connoisseur, lover. I don't know. I love a silk square scarf. In fact, when I travel, I usually always try to go to a vintage store wherever I'm traveling and pick up a vintage silk scarf wherever I am. And that's like my favorite souvenir, I guess you could say, when I'm traveling. But you know, I have plenty of brand new ones as well. And this one is on Ann Taylor's website, and it is a very special scarf because this one is in partnership with, I believe, the Breast Cancer Research Institute. I'm probably saying it wrong, but I'll put it down in the description box. But essentially 50% of the sales of this scarf goes towards that Breast Cancer Research Institute. So it's for a great cause. Breast Cancer Awareness Month is in October, which has now passed, but I think that this scarf is still for sale, and part of its sale also still goes to that really great cause. So if you want like a fun pink leopard print scarf and you want to also give back to a great cause that affects so many people, then this is a beautiful accessory to pick up, and also a great gift idea for maybe somebody on your list who's very, very girly like I am and loves pink and leopard print. Here is my first look. You guys, I feel so adorable in this outfit. I can't even express to you how freaking cute I feel. This coat, this bright pink coat, it gives me life, and I'm so excited about it. Here is the coat. First of all, I'll show you all. It fits pretty well. I got a small. I feel like Ann Taylor tends to run a little bit on the bigger side, and so I decided to get the small, and it fits great. I feel like I definitely would have room for a sweater underneath this, just because the dress, which you'll see in a second, the sleeves are a little bit on the like voluminous side, so I do feel like there is some like fabric building up right here, like as if I was wearing a sweater. It would be very similar experience, and I don't feel super constrained. It feels okay. It's totally fine. My one beef with this jacket is that it does not have pockets. I mean, why? It has fake pockets. Someone explain to me why this is happening. Why you would not put real pockets in a coat, because I like to like put my phone in there, or if I'm someplace actually cold, I like to stick gloves in there. I feel like coats, like they need to have pockets, especially winter coats. So that's my one beef there. I'll also say that this is not a very like heavyweight coat. It doesn't feel like it's super hot, so it's perfect for me living somewhere where it doesn't get super cold. So if you live someplace that gets really, really cold, just be aware that this is like a more lighter weight coat, so you probably will have to layer underneath it, and you probably won't be reaching for it when the temperatures get super, super cold. So just be aware of that. But if you're a Southern California girl like me and you like to feel like you're participating in fall and winter fashion, this is a great coat because it's not that heavy. So I feel like I could wear it and not burn up. So yes, got my cute little scarf on with this. I feel like it ties the whole look together because it's got obviously the pink tones in there, but it also has some brown tones that go with the dress. This is so cute. And also with my Chanel flat bag. If you guys want more information on where I got this beauty, you can check out the description box. The dress is super adorable. Again, it's in this sort of like faux suede material. It's really, really soft. The sleeves have this nice little like bunchiness to them, so they kind of like are a little bit poofy, and I like that sort of detail on them. It's really, really nice. It fits really, really nice as well. This is a size 4, so again, in Taylor stuff, it tends to run a little bit on the big side, so I usually size down and it works out for me. So normally I'm always like a size 6 or a medium in most brands, but the Ann Taylor, like I said, they run a little bit big, so I would suggest a size down. But I just think this is a really cute dress. It's really smart and just so fun. Like, I love the fact that it's like faux suede, something very different, and it's also pretty flattering, and I think it would be quite work appropriate. So that's all I have to say. The next item I chose is this beautiful leopard print blazer, and guys, if you haven't been able to tell yet, I love leopard print. I freaking love it. I think it is such a great pattern. It doesn't really ever seem to go out of style. Like, I feel like season after season, we still get a lot of leopard print and cat print type of pieces. And so I just go for it. And I love this blazer. I have so many blazers. Many of them are just solid colors. So when I saw this one in the leopard print, I was like, I need that blazer. Now, what I will say is it's made of this sort of like knit material. It's really, really soft. So because it is sort of made in a different, less structured fabric, it has a little bit more of a casual vibe. And I really think that this could dress up any sort of casual look. Like, you could be wearing a t-shirt and jeans and throw this over, and instantly your outfit is just like so, so awesome. So if you're looking for a good, just statement blazer that could be worn for every day, then I highly recommend this one, because I just want to like pet it because it's so very, very soft, this knit, and it feels very high quality. I also feel like the lining is really, really nice and soft as well. It's just a very nicely made blazer. blazer is on. I think this is such a cute little casual outfit that you could wear running around and still look very, very polished and put together, but also very, very comfortable. And comfortable is what I have to say that this blazer is, because again, it is sort of like almost like a sweater, like a knit material. And so because of that, it feels really, really soft. It feels so comfortable to wear. Unlike more formal blazers that are made of like a more stiff material, this one, it's just the inside lining is really soft. The outside itself is knit and really, really soft. So I feel like I could wear this sort of like running around, and of course, like it looks a lot more put together, but again, I feel like I'm just wearing like a really comfy jacket. So I really love things that look super polished, but also like just feel very comfortable, especially right now when, you know, comfort is really key for me these days. So this blazer fits the bill and I love it so, so much. I think this one would have pockets. Yeah, I think it does. So why does this blazer have pockets and my coat doesn't? That's what I want to know. I held it with my new Handbag Crave Birkin inspired bag. If you guys want to check this out, there's a link down in the description box along with everything else. I have a promo code for this. It's a fantastic, fantastic bag. I think it really makes this outfit look really, really fun. And then my little Seychelles yellow suede sneakers. Seychelles, guys, their shoes are so, so comfortable. These sneakers are like so like cushy and padded in the soles. I could wear these for hours and hours and hours, and they look really cool and stylish too at the same time. I think the yellow, like mustard color, looks really cool with red and with everything else going on here. So yeah, here's my cool casual look with my leopard print blazer. So it's about that sweater weather season. I picked up a little lightweight sweater also, and I really love this because I think the color is really pretty. It's like this sort of soft blush, but it almost has like a corally, like a very pastel coral look to it as well to me. I don't know if it's really picking up on the camera, but it's really, really lightweight knit sweater, which is great for me because we tend to not get super cold here in LA until about January. So this is a great sweater weight for me living in Southern California. But if you live in a cooler place and you tend to like to layer because you get hot easily inside, this would also be a great piece to have. It's just a very straightforward sweater. It's got this really pretty pleating in the shoulders, and the sleeves are quite voluminous, and they've got this sort of tighter portion down here by your wrist. I think this color is going to look really great with a lot of other colors. It's like a really good base color for creating fun looks on top of, either more with neutrals or with some other colors involved. My last piece is a pair of pants. These are jeans, I want to say, and they were so unique looking to me. I saw them on the website and I needed them. Like, they looked incredible on the model. I like this sort of like line that's going down the front of the pant. It's sort of like a seam. I feel like that like line going downwards could be very flattering and very like lengthening. They're high-waisted, which I love, and they've got these big, massive belt loops. So if you had like a really wide belt that you wanted to wear with this, you totally could, and it will fit right in the belt loops there. I just think that this color of this pant is very interesting. It's sort of this like rusty color. I do believe they also come in a cream as well, but just something unique. I have plenty of just like regular jeans, so I'm always looking for something a little bit more visually interesting to add to my wardrobe to spice things up. And I think this color is quite spicy as well. I believe they look cute on, we shall see. So I've got on the pants and the sweater. Just get started with the sweater. So I really, really love this sweater. You guys, if you have been a subscriber for a while, or if you've seen a couple of my hauls, then you know that your girl, she loves herself a nice statement sleeve. And these sleeves have like this lovely like poofiness to them, but they have this nice long panel right here that keeps it tight. So I really like the way that the sleeve sort of lays on my arm. I think it's a really pretty, soft, feminine sweater. It feels so soft. It feels so comfortable on, and I really love it. Now, let's move on to the pants. So I'm just gonna kind of like tuck this in a little bit so we can see what's going on here. These pants, I really don't know how to feel about them. Like, they fit really odd in my opinion. So they're very like high-waisted, as you can see, like they come up really, really high, but they have like a lot of room in the waist, and I believe I got a size 4 in these. So that just shows you like kind of how much bigger Ann Taylor tends to run. They do run on the bigger side. Like, normally I would never be wearing a size 4 in like bottoms, especially, like maybe sometimes in tops, but definitely not in the bottoms. Fit pretty good otherwise. I just feel like something about them looks kind of odd on me. I feel like if you're a little bit curvier on the bottom half, they just tend to like, I I don't really even know how to describe it. Like, I'll still wear them. I don't hate them. I love the color of them. I think the color is really interesting and unique. And I love that they have pockets. Other than that, I don't know. Something about them, like, I feel like I have a hard time figuring out what shoes to wear with them because of how, like, the length of them are and how they're just kind of, like, straight. I don't know. They're not my favorite thing ever, but I will still wear them. I honestly feel like the moral of the story here is if you are very, like, athletically built, if you're very, like, non-curvy on your bottom half, then these will look probably really good. But if you're curvier, I don't really know. I feel very confused on my feelings on these pants. All right, well, that concludes my Ann Taylor haul. I hope you all enjoyed it. Comment down below and let me know if you enjoyed this, if you'd want to see more hauls from Ann Taylor in the future, or if there's another store that I have not done a haul of before that you would love to see me do. Definitely drop me a comment because I definitely take suggestions, and any excuse to shop online is a good enough excuse for me. Give me a suggestion down below, say hi, comment down below what your favorite look was. I love it when you guys leave me comments and I get to chat with you all down there. Also, if you haven't done so already, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button for more awesome hauls like this one, and I will see you all on my next video. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you all on my next video. Bye!